Hey guys, it's Autumn Rains, and welcome to Funny Stories with Autumn Rains. This is a segment where I would tell a lot of funny stories about what's been going on in my life, and also funny and embarrassing moments created by me, Autumn. So, one of the funny stories that I have is, sorry about that. I am so bad with this. Sorry, guys. So, one of the funny stories that I have for y'all and me creating funny memories with my friends, along with embarrassing myself. So, earlier in March, I was in my home state of North Carolina, and I was there for a baby shower for one of my friends, and there was a night that I was with my childhood best friend, and we was goofing off and things. Me, her, and one of her family members, we thought it'd be funny to scare her and one of her brothers. It was in the middle of the night, and we was goofing off. Now, one of her brothers and her friend, his friends, they were inside of his mom's car. They were listening to music and things, and they were really being loud. And so me and my best friend and one of her family members, we thought it'd be a good idea to scare them. So my best friend's brother, he has these Halloween masks, like Michael Myers, also Scream, and also a few others. And so we put those on, and my best friend has a taser, and we went outside. We were tiptoeing, and me, my best friend, and one of her family members got on both sides of the car. We were ducking, and we counted 1, 2, 3, and then we stood up and scared them. My best friend had the taser, and she pressed the taser, and it made this loud noise. We scared them so much. We scared their brother and his friends. It was so funny. And another funny story was about, we almost burnt the house down with popcorn. So here's the thing. We was also goofing off very late one night. We both decided that we wanted popcorn, so we put it inside the microwave. Normally we would, so it was supposed to be 2 minutes, but we accidentally put it on 3 minutes, and the house was filling with smoke. We were so confused. We were also panicking, so we went on each side of the house with broomsticks, and we were trying to wave them to get smoke away from the smoke alarms before they would go off. And we told my best friend's brother and his friend, and they were also doing the same thing while laughing at us. It was so funny. Luckily, no smoke alarms went off and everything was fine, but it was so funny. And yeah, I think that is it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more funny videos, and make sure to ring that button to get notified for the next time that I upload. Thank you and God bless. Bye.